So a lot of you wonder how I do what I do. Basically, I have printed vinyl here with the logo on it. I line the logo up onto the shirt, and I use heat transfer tape so that way I can put it there, line it up, make sure it's straight, and then I stamp it. Okay. I get it lined up on my heat press. Then I have to take my cover paper, my Teflon cover sheet, and cover the shirt so that way it doesn't get damaged. And then I press down my heat press. It goes for 15 seconds and a nice firm pressure. But while that is going, I get my next shirt ready. Take it off. And we're going to let it cool just for a couple seconds. While that's cooling, I'm just going to be lining up a new shirt. But I just double make sure that it's moving. Line up straight. And I hold it up and I look with my eyeballs. Because it's important, nobody wants to walk around with a crooked logo. So then the shirt's done. And I just peel the top cover off. "15 seconds, and voila, we're done. So the shirt was already lined up. I just lined that up while that shirt was stamping. I'll just do another triple check, make sure it's straight. Lay it onto my press and get my cover sheet. There you go. 15 seconds. But we'll do a liner. Take our t-shirt, put it all straight. Seconds up. Take your Teflon cover off, and now let's let that cool for a couple seconds. Okay, that's all lined up. Now let's take our top transfer off. Peel's hot, so you can peel when it's still warm. And voila, we have a shirt. Looks pretty straight to me. Lay it down, slap the Teflon on, and 15 seconds. That's an annoying buzzer, but it lets me know it's done. Peel hot. Another shirt done. Double, triple check, make sure it's straight. All right, ready to go. Teflon cover. Let that cool for a couple seconds. So other vinyls require a peel cold. This one I like because it's peel hot. Allows you to work a little faster and at a lower temperature. I get to stamp these at 280 degrees rather than 325, and it has less damage to the shirt. So I like that. So this is Premium Plus vinyl. You need a cutter. I have the roll-on cutter. You go on. and this is how I do. So of course there's always other methods to decorate a shirt. You got screen printing, you got direct ink to garment, you got sublimation. There's all sorts of ways to decorate a shirt. My favorite by far is the vinyl. It just gives you a really nice quality that lasts an awful long time. I've had shirts for 5 years now. Sometimes these things are your best friend because sometimes the shirts can come with a little bit of lint or hair on them, you know, some linty hairs. So you just want to take this roller and get all of that lint off of it. So that way the vinyl really sticks and it has a nice material to stick to without any lumps under it. So by the time I'm done lining up the next shirt, this shirt is cooled down enough for me to take off the transfer. It says peel hot, but I like to peel warm, not hot. I feel like if you peel hot, when it's too hot, you can actually lift up the vinyl. So I like to peel warm. And it comes out perfect. Usually I have music on really loud or I have my earbuds in so I can just like dance and make the shirts at the same time. Because that's what I like to do. Today I have something really special to share with you. I just finished up making Steelface t-shirts. Well, who's Steelface? That's what you're wondering. Ha! You all know I work with a lot of local bands. Steelface is a really special local band that I'm really proud to be a part of. They are kids. Not all of the band is kids, but 2 of them are. The lead singer is a 10-year-old boy, and the drummer is a 12-year-old boy. They're brothers. They are amazing, amazingly talented children who are showing the world that they rock. So I'm really happy to be part of the community with them. And the reason why they need me is because they sell merch at their shows and they sell out. This is their t-shirt. It's just a plain black shirt with their white logo on it. And they sell out because people want to represent them. I want to represent them. So big shout out to Steelface. 10-year-old lead singer, 12-year-old drummer. I love you guys. You guys are amazing. Show the world what you have and don't ever stop. So the logo that they are using was created by Jamie Cross. Jamie Cross is a local artist that we have right here in the area of Western Massachusetts. He has his own tattoo parlor in Westfield called Nightmare on Elm Street. You should check him out. He's amazing.